That sudden hiccup that sometimes comes out of nowhere is an energetic spasm your body creates to help you expand your field. If you haven't seen me yet, I'm Ayla Lee, and let's talk about the biology of your upper limit. A physical hiccup is an involuntary, sudden spasm of your diaphragm, your primary breathing muscle. Your brain sends a glitch signal, the muscle clenches, and then you hiccup. It creates an interrupt. This is a perfect blueprint for self-sabotage. Now, you probably never thought that these two were linked, but your solar plexus, your third chakra, is your energetic diaphragm. It's your center of I am and personal power. When you have a big win, when you receive a new level of success, you're asking your energetic diaphragm to expand, to take a bigger breath of reality that is ever held before. That sudden jarring thought of, say, imposter syndrome, or I can't handle this, or this is not you. It is the spasm of that old, tight, small self program as it's being stretched by your new, expansive reality. You are expanding so fast that your old container is glitching. This is a symptom of your success. So here's a body key for that hiccup integration. The next time you feel that energetic hiccup of, say, imposter syndrome or even physical hiccups show up, let's re-anchor that muscle. So go ahead and place your hands on your solar plexus, your upper abdomen, and then take a slow, deep breath in. And as you exhale, make a long, sustained shh sound. Push all of the air out. Feel your core engage under your hands. You're consciously taking control of your energetic diaphragm. Now also swallow a few times if you can. A few times, deeply swallow. And then open your mouth and take another deep breath in, and hold the intention and the command of, I am allowing my expansion with ease. My container is safe. Let's integrate this new level now. And then do another shh sound. Just allow it to anchor in. If you'd like to explore more body keys like this, then follow along because I share them all the time. We also have classes every single week on how to expand into your full 13 chakra system. If you'd like to join for that, the links are on my bio. I'll see you there.